अर्ज किया है गुजरा हुआ वक्त इस दिल की हर बात सुनाएगा। गुजरा हुआ वक्त इस दिल की हर बात सुनाएगा। कभी साथ थे हम यारों, हर पल ये याद आएगा। जिंदगी के पन्नों को गौर से पलटना मेरे दोस्त, जिंदगी के पन्नों को जरा गौर से पलटना मेरे दोस्त। हमारा भी नाम इनमें कभी तो कभी जरूर आएगा। सादर अभिनंदन, सादर अभिनंदन, आभार, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Hello and very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am Seema. So as you all know that today is a farewell ceremony. We will be bidding farewell to our seniors with teary eyes. To make this program even more beautiful and to manage this stage, मैं इस मंच का संचालन करने के लिए जिन्हें आमंत्रित कर रही हूँ उनके लिए एक खूबसूरत सी शायरी भी पेश करना चाहती हूँ। कुछ इस तरह से वो मुस्कुराते हैं, कुछ इस तरह से वो मुस्कुराते हैं कि परेशान लोग भी उन्हें देखकर खुश हो जाते हैं। कुछ इस तरह से वो मुस्कुराते हैं कि परेशान लोग भी उन्हें देखकर खुश हो जाते हैं। उनकी बातों का अजी क्या कहिए, उनकी बातों का अजी क्या कहिए, अल्फाज तारीफ बनकर खुद होठों से निकल जाते हैं। So welcome Pakiza and Jasmine to on the stage. A big clap for Pakiza and Jasmine. Please come on the stage.
Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome.
Welcome.
तो अर्ज किया है होंगे जुदा ऐसी कोई खबर आई है, होंगे जुदा ऐसी कोई खबर आई है, दिन भी है बेचैन और सांसें थमाई हैं। देंगे हम आपको फेयरवेल की पार्टी लेकिन, देंगे हम आपको फेयरवेल की पार्टी लेकिन होने लगी है बेचैनी और सांसें थमाई हैं। तो वैसी बात है कि हमारी महफिल में लोग बिन बुलाए आते हैं, हमारी महफिल में लोग बिन बुलाए आते हैं क्योंकि वहाँ स्वागत में फूल नहीं पलके बिछाए जाते हैं। Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Jasmine. And this is Pakiza. We are your host for today and it's my privilege to serve as your anchor for today's farewell event. I'm thrilled to be here with all of you and I want to extreme warm welcome to each and every one of our guests. Over the next duration, we will be exploring themes and I'm excited to share this journey with you. I will be your guide, motivator, that our conservation is informing, engaging and entertainment. So let's dive and make some unforgettable memories. So Jasmine, do you know why we're standing here today? Yes, I do. Today is our farewell day. Oh, that's why is everything is so beautiful today. Yes, let's find out from the audience how excited they are. So what are you feeling, friend? Are you excited? How's the Josh? How's the Josh? Hi, sir. Dear seniors, we convey the best of our wishes today. This time, we convey the best of our wishes to you this day. May you shine, glorify, and reach greater heights each day. Every ending hide a brand new start. Every goodbye carries a piece of heart. Distance may whisper, time may fly, but connections never die. So for your motivation, I have one line for you that जहाँ कोशिश का कद बड़ा होता है, वहाँ नसीबों को भी झुकना पड़ता है. जहाँ कोशिश का कद बड़ा होता है, वहाँ नसीबों को भी झुकना पड़ता है. जैसे कमबैक करने का मजा तब आता है जब लोगों को लगे कि अब आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. So now we call our first participant Shreya from BC department. Put your hands together and give it up for Shreya. Please come on the stage. So Shreya, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I am very excited.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. Hello everyone. Today is a special day, a day full of memories, laughter and maybe few happy tears. Before we step into new beginnings, I want to talk about something that this journey unforgettable. Friendship. The jokes we cracked, the secrets we share, the silly fights, and of course, we had each other backs. And now let this all feelings in a little diary. You know, friendship isn't about how long we have known each other. It's all about the countless memories that made us who we are today. The laughter we share, the secrets we kept, the times we wept each other tears, all of it will stay forever in our hearts. Today, as we stand on the stage of new beginnings, but our paths may go different ways, but one thing will never change: the bond, the love, the friendship we created here. Because true friends never say goodbye, they just say see you again somewhere, someday. Till we meet again, keep smiling. This is not goodbye, it's just see you soon, my friends. Thank you.
That was mind-blowing, Shreya. A big applause for Shreya. So, audience, are you guys amazed?
Yes.
Are you excited for your next performance?
Very excited.
Okay. Before we start, how will we feel the rain without drops? How we will feel is there passion in the heart? How we will feel this without clapping? So what are you doing, guys? Please clap. Sketches of memory drawn with love and care. Farewell, dear senior, may your path be rare. Remember, if you want something in life, you can change your intentions, not your methods, because our life is made only by our thoughts. In the playlist of life, our chapter may diverse, but the melody of memory will forever emerge. So, इसी के साथ, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our second participant, the one and only Anshu from Computer Science Department. Please applause for Anshu. So, Anshu, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. Dear friends, family, and respected seniors, as we gather here today, we are filled with a mix of emotions, happiness, sadness, and gratitude. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives as we bid farewell to our beloved seniors. I think it's safe to say we are all feeling a little emotional, except for our seniors who are probably already planning their celebratory party. But seniors, we want to express our heartfelt gratitude for the guidance, support, and mentorship you have provided us during your time here. Your wisdom, experience, and leadership have shaped us into the individuals we are today. So seniors, as you leave this place, remember that you will always have a special place in our hearts and in our group chats. Guys, your legacy will live on through the countless lives you have touched, and we promise to carry forward the values and lessons you have taught us. We will miss your advice and unwavering support. So once again, thank you for being an important part of our lives. We will cherish the memories we have shared, and we hope you will stay in touch. Farewell and best wishes. तो जाने से पहले पेश है आपके लिए खूबसूरत शायरी। फूल खिलते हैं जब आप मुस्कुराते हो, फूल खिलते हैं जब आप मुस्कुराते हो, जहां जाते हो वहां चार चांद लगाते हो। उस मंच की शोभा का क्या कहना, उस मंच की शोभा का क्या कहना, जहां आप जैसे अतिथि आते हो।
Thank you. Thank you. Every successful person has a painful story, and every successful story has a painful ending. So accept the pain and get ready for success. You may be far, but memories stay near. Your presence was a gift, your absence was a fear. Wishing you happiness, always be here. Now we call our third participant Rekha from language department. Please come on the stage, Rekha. A big applause for Rekha. So Rekha, are you excited for your performance?
I am very excited.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. Dear friends, in the journey of life we meet many people, but only a few become true friends. Am I right?
Yes.
So let's celebrate this beautiful bond with a poem that speaks to the heart. True friends. You are my friend, so sweet and kind. You are my friend, so sweet and kind. Good memories you leave behind. You smiled, we talked, we had some fun. We smiled, we talked, we had some fun. Our friendship shines like the sun. Our friendship shines like the sun. Even if you go far away, even if you go far away, I will miss you more each passing day. But in my heart till the end, but in my heart till the end, you will stay my true friends. तो इसी बात पे एक शायरी हो जाए?
हो जाए।
अर्ज किया है
इरशाद इरशाद।
कुछ यादें खास बन जाती है, कुछ यादें खास बन जाती है, कुछ बातें दिल में रह जाती है। साथ बिताया हर एक पल, साथ बिताया हर एक पल, अब याद बन मुस्कुराती है। वक्त भले ही हमें दूर कर दे, वक्त भले ही हमें दूर कर दे, पर रिश्ता कभी ना टूटेगा। सच्चा दोस्त वही कहलाएगा, सच्चा दोस्त वही कहलाएगा, जो दिल में हमेशा रहेगा।
Unforgettable.
थैंक यू, थैंक
Big
यू।
applause for Rekha. In English we say, it's just a last day of school. In English we say, it's just a last day of school. But in poetry we say, benches now empty, memories still stay. Benches now empty, memories still stay. We walked out with a smile, but heard back to stay. In the map of memory, we have each our place. Farewell dear seniors, may your journey be a smiling face. And now, it's time for the moment we have all been waiting for. A performance that will surely touch your heart. Now we call our fourth participant, Seema ma'am. So Seema, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I am.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. ये क्या बात है आज की चांदनी में कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागिनी में। ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लुभाने लगा जिंदगी का मजा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलके कभी हम न होंगे जुदा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से। फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जमीन पे मुलाकात हो न हो। लग जा गले से
What a wonderful performance, Seema.
Thank you.
Once again, a big hand for Seema. For a lovely song. A pen can do mistakes, but a pencil can't, because it has a good friend, eraser. Only true friends can erase your mistakes and makes you perfect. So here to ending that sparks new dreams to golden light and silver gleams. Whenever you go, whatever you do, remember the sky is still waiting for you.
Start.
Okay, so audience, why did Rinky cross the road? Why? To get the stage and participate, of course. Please welcome our fifth participant, Rinky, from Humanities Department. A big hands for Rinky. So Rinky, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I am very excited.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. Dear friends and teachers, as we stand bidding farewell to our seniors and juniors, but we are also starting on a new journey, a journey that will take us to new heights, new challenges, and new platform. As we move forward, I want to share a small story with you, a story that has inspired me and will continue to, but it had a big dream. It wanted to grow into a tall tree, to reach the sky and provide shade to all. But as the shade began to grow, it faced many challenges. The sun beat down on it. The strong shade didn't give up, it kept pushing, kept growing, and finally, after months of hard work, the shade grew into tall and sturdy tree. It stood to similarly, as we move forward in life, we will face many challenges, but we must not give up. We must remember that are capable of achieving great things, just like the small shade that grow into a tall tree. So, as we bid farewell to each other, I want to leave you with a message: strive for excellence in the world. I hope this speech inspire you. तो आपके लिए एक खूबसूरत शायरी पेश है। अर्ज किया है, हर फूल बाग में लगाए नहीं जाते, हर फूल बाग में लगाए नहीं जाते, हर लोग महफिल में बुलाए नहीं जाते, कोई तो पास होकर भी याद नहीं आते, कोई तो पास होकर भी याद नहीं आते, कुछ दूर होकर भी बुलाए नहीं जाते। धन्यवाद।
What amazing performance! A big hands for Rinky.
Thank you. Thank you.
I know that we are going very boring now. But now come to my own way. So flip the script and now hold your breath because your hosts are going to slay it. So guys, do you want us to perform?
Yes.
तो हो जाए?
हो जाए.
So Jasmine, let's go.
Start.
So guys, let's begin. I have a universal exception for you that if January to December 12 month, then why December to January 1 month? Think about it. Okay, Jasmine, I have one question for you. Who is doctor? We all know doctor who saves our life. No, that's right, but it's not my answer. The answer is a person who kills your ills with pills and later with pills. That's the answer. You are right. Nice one. What is love? I'm not interested about it. By the way, I'm not answering. So much attitude you have on yourself. By the way, love is the seventh sense that destroys all six senses and makes a person nonsense. So Jasmine, I heard that you are a good translator for English to Hindi. Yes, I am. So please help me for my speech, okay? Okay. So audience, I have one speech for you that you will definitely enjoy it. So, dear students, प्रिय छात्र छात्राओं एवं अनुराग देवताओं। मैंने देवता राक्षस कहा? नहीं सर, मैं बस इम्प्रोवाइज कर रहा था। जितना कहा उतना ही। एज अ की, वर्ड टू वर्ड, वाद अनुवाद। क्या? वाद अनुवाद। That's right. ठीक है। Today, आज is our college annual day. महाविद्यालय की बरसी है। You know, तुम नहीं हो। It's not no. It's not no. तुम नहीं हो। तुम नहीं ही हो. You mistaken. तुम गड़बड़ कर रहे हो. Not then, you. तुम नहीं, तुम. Not me, you. मैं नहीं, तुम. Okay. ठीक है. समझौता. The whole college में गधा है. It's not whole. It's whole. कॉलेज में गधा नहीं, गधा है. मिस जैस्मिन परवीन, श्रीमती अनुराग दीदी. That's all about that. श्री जैस्मिन परवीन जी. There was fun in the class. I also had some fun. I had the support of my teachers. My heart was wondering, where did we come from? Now you are lost in this world. That school. Hi, कितना प्यार था. Your path may change, but memories remain in our heart. Your presence will forever sustain. Wishing you success, love, and joy in life's journey again. Now we call our sixth participant, Nandini, from Science Department. Put your hands together and give it up for Nandini. A big applause for Nandini. So Nandini, are you ready to be rocked it?
Yes.
Okay, all the best.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Nandini from the Science Department. I would like to take a moment to reflect on the arts of saying goodbye. The two difficult things so in life are hello for the first time and goodbye for the last time. But for us, there is no goodbye because wherever you are, you will always be in our hearts. Goodbyes are not forever. Goodbye are not, they simply mean until meet again. Yesterday brought the starter. Tomorrow bring the invert somewhere. The middle we become the best of friend. तो इस पर एक खूबसूरत सी शायरी आपके लिए अर्ज किया है. फिर निकलेगा चांद और टिमटिमाते तारे, फिर निकलेगा चांद और टिमटिमाते तारे, वैसे दिलकश होंगे कई नजारे. भरपाई ना होगी फिर भी आपकी, भरपाई ना होगी फिर भी आपकी, अब छाए रहोगे सदा दिल में हमारे. थैंक यू.
It was magical. A big applause for Nandini. Thank you. You leave a mark that time can't erase. Memories of you will forever stay. Wishing you all the best on your new way. The journey of life take you far away, but in our heart, your memories will stay. We will cherish every laugh, every tear, every tale, and look forward to the day when we will meet again without fail. So, audience, and now for our seventh participant who is insert absurd skills or talent here. Please welcome Babika from Language Department. A big hands for Babika. Please welcome on the stage. So Babika, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, I am.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Babika Kumari from Language Department. I would like to dedicate a few lines of our seniors. तो आज की शाम हमारे दोस्ती के नाम. एक दिन जिंदगी ऐसे मुकाम पे पहुंच जाएगी, एक दिन जिंदगी ऐसे मुकाम पे पहुंच जाएगी, दोस्ती तो सिर्फ यादों में रह जाएगी. हर बात दोस्तों की याद दिलाएगी, हर बात दोस्तों की याद दिलाएगी, और हंसते हंसते फिर आंखें नम हो जाएंगी. ऑफिस के रूम में क्लासरूम नजर आएंगी, ऑफिस के रूम में क्लासरूम नजर आएंगी, और किताबों की जगह आप फाइलें ले जाएंगी. पैसे तो बहुत होंगे खर्च करने को, पैसे तो बहुत होंगे खर्च करने को, और आंखें ये दोस्तों को ढूंढती नजर आएंगी. तो आओ खुल कर जिए इस पल को मेरे दोस्त, तो आओ खुल कर जिए इस पल को मेरे दोस्त, क्योंकि जिंदगी फिर इस लम्हे को तरस जाएंगी. थैंक यू.
What an amazing performance! You rocked it. A big applause for Babika.
Thank you.
From late night talks to morning flight, from laughter loud to sleepless night, we build a story, bold and bright, a masterpiece of pure delight.
It would be an honor to have you both, Shreya and Nandini, serve as hosts for farewell party. Your leadership and expertise will undoubtedly make this event unforgettable. I would like to call Shreya and Nandini for manners to the boarding. So, please welcome Nandini and Shreya.
A big hands for Nandini and Shreya.
थैंक यू जैस्मिन पाकिजा। तो चलिए इस खूबसूरत सी शाम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए एक खूबसूरत सी शायरी पेश करते हैं। तो अर्ज किया है जनाब, आज की ये शाम किसी इनाम से कम नहीं, हर दोस्त यहाँ किसी जज्बात से कम नहीं, तालियों की गूंज और मुस्कानों की बहार में हम सब खो जाएं आज के इस महफिल के प्यार में।
मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, सिर्फ पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है।
Now we call our next participant, Jasmine and Pakiza.
Put your hands together for Pakiza and Jasmine. Please come on the stage.
Thank you.
So Jasmine and Pakiza, are you excited for your performance?
Yes, we are.
Best of luck.
Thank you. कुछ बातें शब्दों के जरिए नहीं की जा सकती, इसलिए आज हम उन्हें एक गाने के जरिए कहना चाहते हैं। This song is dedicated to all our dear seniors, with love, respect, and a lot of beautiful memories. मैम कट कर दीजिए।
Every time it's the same. Oh, I feel that it stays with my heart. I've been lonely too long. Oh, I can't be so strong. Take a chance for romance with my heart. I need you so. There's no time. I'll rather go. Shady lady, going through the motion. Love is where you find it. Listen to your heart. Shady lady, living in devotion. It's always like the first time. Let me take a part. Could you find a way to let me down slowly? A little sympathy, I hope you can show me. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. Let me down, let me down, let me down, let me down. If you wanna go, then I'll be so lonely. If you're leaving, baby, let me down slowly. जो तू नहीं तो ऐसा मैं चेहरा कि जिसकी खूबसूरती मांग पड़ी हो, ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे। जो तू नहीं तो ऐसा मैं चेहरा कि जिसकी खूबसूरती मांग पड़ी हो, ऐसा मैं दरिया जो बहना ना चाहे। दरिया मेरे दिल का ये बहता ना, दुखी दिल की सदा कुछ कहता ना, इसकी खामोशी की तू वजह है ना, दिल से तंग आ गया ये सजा है ना। उल्फतों में नहीं कोई पैमाना, मेरे अपनों का मुझसे ये कहना था, सुरमई तेरी आंखों में बह जाना, क्या पता तेरे गम में ही रहना था। I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. You are the one. I miss you so much now that you're gone.
Don't be afraid, I'll be by your side, leading the way. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. One and only broken angel. Come and save me before I fall apart. I wish that I could touch you again. Feeling in love, don't want it to end. Two worlds apart, let us in a dream. It's breaking my heart. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. One and only broken angel. Come and save me before I fall apart. तेरे मैं वारी जावा, तेरे गुण गावा मैं, तेरे बिन जी लगदा नहीं है, बस तेनू चावा मैं। उड़ रहा मोर उड़ते रोज, तेनू जांदे जांदे तेरे हुस्न दे मरदे अस्सी रोज की कलिए सजना बोल। हासे ही झोल नचदे सारे, तेरे प्यार च करिए की हुड़ बोल, सजना क्या वाको। थैंक यू। थैंक यू।
So wonderful performance. A huge clap for Jasmine and Pakiza. Thank you for your lovely presence. To manage the stage, I would like to invite our wonderful anchors, Jasmine and Pakiza.
Jasmine and Pakiza, please come on the stage. A big clap for Jasmine and Pakiza.
The final performance is about to begin. It's going to be epic and it's going to be an evening to remember. Don't miss out on the energy, exit much and entertainment. See you there.
As a token of our love and deep respect, we would now like to present a bouquet of flowers to our respected teacher Antara ma'am, who has always been a source of guidance, knowledge and inspiration for all of us. May I request Seema to kindly come forward and present the bouquet to Antara ma'am. Please give a big round of applause.
Please come on the stage. Antara ma'am, please come on the stage. A big applause for us.
Adar, Abhinandan, Abhar. Respected esteemed director of our institute, Mr. Prakash Kumar. Respected faculty members and my dear students. As we gather here today, I am filled with mix of emotions, happiness, gratitude, and a tinge of sadness. But most of all, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to each one of you who made this moment possible. A special thanks to our director, Sir, Mr. Prakash Kumar, whose guidance and support have always been instrumental in our journey. Although he could not be with us today, but his presence is felt in spirit. We are truly very grateful for your leadership and vision, sir. Thanks to the entire PCI team, starting with Monica ma'am, Anshu ma'am, Priya ma'am, and rest of the faculty members. Your dedication, your hard work, and your teamwork have made this farewell ceremony a grand success. Thank you for your tireless efforts. And last but not the least, many, many thanks to our lovely, lovely students. Your performances today have been absolutely fantastic. Your energy, your talent, and enthusiasm have made this evening truly unforgettable. Thank you for being an integral part of our institute's journey. So let's cherish the memories we have created together. Let's carry the lessons we have learned and the laughter we have shared. Let's move forward with gratitude in our hearts and sense of accomplishment. तो जाने से पहले आप सभी के लिए मेरी ओर से कुछ चंद पंक्तियां तो हो जाए। परिंदे तू रुक मत, तुझ में जान अभी बाकी है। परिंदे तू रुक मत, तुझ में जान अभी बाकी है। मंजिल दूर है, बहुत उड़ान बाकी है। यूं ही नहीं मिलती रब की मेहरबानी, यूं ही नहीं मिलती रब की मेहरबानी। एक से बढ़कर एक इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है। So guys, this is just the start. As they say, goodbyes are not forever, goodbyes are not the end. They simply mean until we meet again, until we meet again. Thank you everyone. Thank you once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring word. We truly feel blessed to have mentors like you. And now, dear seniors, you are not just our seniors, you are our inspiration. आपने हमें सिखाया कि हंसते हुए भी हर मुश्किल को जीता जा सकता है. Your guidance, your support and your smiles, we will remember them always. You may be moving ahead, but your memories will always stay with us. And yes, now who will help us will those last minute assignments. Who will give us tips before exams. We will really miss you and your notes too. And dear seniors, as you step into a new chapter of life, we wish you success, joy and endless smile. Wherever you go, keep shining just like you always did. Once again, thank you, dear seniors, for being our pride, our guide and our forever family. Let's give a big round of applause for our wonderful seniors. So guys, presented your dear moments. And bye, see you soon and meet you again.
And look at